Ladies, tonight we're passing the Bechdel test. Girls Night is gonna start and end with self-confidence and snacks so good they might just melt your face off. So text your girls, pour some rosé, and let's make a popcorn flight board perfect for fueling those soul-healing conversations. Over medium-high heat, add vegetable oil and 4 popcorn kernels. Once those 4 kernels pop, you know your oil is hot enough for the rest of your Dell Cove spices better off single popcorn kernels. Once popped, transfer to a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of melted butter because moderation is for people in relationships. Now grab your Dell Cove spices salted caramel seasoning and get heavy-handed. Stir it all together and finish with some flaky sea salt. Next, we gotta make a label. Let's call this one Salty AF. For our next flavor, melt 4 ounces of white chocolate until it's smooth and dreamy. Then whisk in half a teaspoon of matcha powder. This is the twist that takes your popcorn from just a snack to, whoa, what's in this? With another batch of fresh popcorn, drizzle the matcha-infused chocolate over your popcorn. Toss it gently so every kernel gets coated in that sweet, earthy goodness. And let's call this one Spilling the Tea. For our final flavor, melt 4 ounces of dark chocolate with half a teaspoon of espresso powder. Why espresso? Because sometimes a little extra energy is the fuel you need for a solid yap session. Next, drizzle it all over a final batch of fresh popcorn. Toss it gently so every kernel gets that bittersweet love. Then, the pièce de résistance, Dell Cove Spices chocolate caramel seasoning. The result? Not bitter, just better popcorn. Now, we're gonna transfer all 3 flavors to our large cutting board, and there you have it. 3 yummy popcorn snacks you can share with your most favorite people in the whole wide world. Now, I gotta run. I have a very important meeting with a book and a bubble bath. Here's to self-love. For more recipes, gourmet popcorn seasonings, kernels, and more, head to dellcovespices.com.